How to add links in Linktree mobile app. So let's get started. It's super easy. Open the app. And as you can see, there is a already button add new link. But I'm gonna show you how to edit this link, okay? So this is my link I created. If you click on it, you can edit. And this is basically how it looks like when you create one. So you will give this title. There is also URL code. But what you can do better is, and what I would like to change is the thumbnail. If we see the preview here, this is how it looks like if someone landed on our page. And I would like to change this logo to YouTube, so it's gonna be clear. Simply just click on this edit on this pen and download the YouTube logo. It's super easy, just Google YouTube logo and download it. Click on it, and you can also adjust this, but I think it's okay because it has white background, so it's gonna work. And then just simply confirm here. And if we go to preview now, you can see there will be this logo, and I think it's like more clear now if someone landed on this page and then you click on this and they will notice this logo, and that's it. Also, you can add links through these, and this is called, I think, social icons, yes. Social icons, and also you can find a lot of social icons here. So you can add your email, you can add your YouTube channel. It's not gonna be red button, but it's gonna be some button. You can also add Telegram, Spotify, and a lot of options here. So it's gonna show up like this. But in my case, I would like to keep only this YouTube because it has this red button. It looks nice, and maybe I'm gonna remove this. And this I'm gonna keep it because of some direct emailing to me. And that's it. This is how can you do it. This is how can you add links on Linktree. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you. Bye bye.